now in the latest, let's track other developments. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has slammed the central government and the BJP-led Uttar Pradesh government off over alleged mismanagement at the Mahakumbh Mela. Underway in the Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj, politics has started to also stir on the Mahakumbh, where in fact now in the latest, the West Bengal Chief Minister and TMC Supremo has alleged that, and I quote, Mahakumbh has turned into the Mrityu Kumbh, unquote, by Mamata Banerjee in Bengal Assembly. Then she further also claimed that the Uttar Pradesh government hid hundreds of bodies. Meanwhile, Girish Mahajan hits back at Mamata Banerjee, saying that she has heard the sentiments of the Hindu community. Let's now listen in to this war of words that has broken out on Mahakumbh that's underway.
के बारे में ऐसा कहना मुझे लगता है बहुत शर्मनाक बात है। उनसे कोई ज्यादा अपेक्षा भी नहीं है। उनके विचार ही उस प्रकार के हैं, लेकिन उन्हें ऐसे बात करके हिंदू समाज की जो भावना है उसको दुख दिया है, उसको दुख।
Well, Abhishek, what we continue to see is the latest stir of criticism by the opposition leaders and the members. As far as now the Mahakumbh is concerned, after Lalu Prasad Yadav, it's Mamata Banerjee who has now called the Mahakumbh as the Mrityu Kumbh, which is a big jibe that has been thrown at the centre and the Uttar Pradesh government that has been making it a big success with over 55 crore devotees. That's the number, surpassing the population of many countries alone, taking a holy dip in Mahakumbh.
Yes, this is the point of hurting the sentiments of Sanatanis as calling it a Mrityu Kumbh. Numbers are devotees and lakhs and crores are coming to be the part of Mahakumbh. And West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee's this remark and on this visited there. And he also replied that he thinks such things is very shameful and we don't expect some from her. Her mind is like that she has heard the sentiments of Hindu community. So this is becoming a political issue day by day when the opposition is remarking like this and they are saying these words like calling Mahakumbh a Mrityu Kumbh. This can be an issue for the Sanatanis who are the number of Sanatanis who are coming day by day in Mahakumbh and quite hurting their sentiments.
Well, all right.